I'm here in Ambleside at 7336 Armour Crescent to show you this gorgeous 2,750 square foot custom built home. I'm Katie Crawford with Remax Preferred Choice, and if you're returning to my channel, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I should mention I am a real estate agent here in the Greater Edmonton Area. And if you're looking for help making any critical decisions in the Edmonton real estate market, I would love to connect. But for now, I can't wait to show you this gorgeous home. It was custom built by Coventry, like I said, 2,750 square feet, and it includes $70,000 worth of builder upgrades. The kitchen has custom cabinetry, upgraded appliances, including a 36-inch Bertazzoni gas range, right there, and a massive butler's pantry, right there. The primary bedroom is super luxurious and even has a hallway to get to the ensuite. I mean, really. The kids' bedrooms are shockingly large as well, and it's located right beside a storm pond and backs the trail system. I know you want to see it, so without further ado, let's go. Say hello to beautiful, family-oriented Ambleside. Located in the southwest, it is one of Edmonton's top neighborhoods, surrounded by parks, ponds, and trails, all within walking distance to schools and amenities. The stunning white kitchen features upgraded appliances, quartz countertops, an apron sink, and a butler's pantry with butcher block countertops, wine rack, and additional sink. Heading upstairs, you'll find a massive bonus room with vaulted ceilings and plenty of room for the whole family. The spacious and tranquil primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet and even has its own hallway leading to a beautiful spa-like ensuite. Your kids will be happy too, with sizable second and third bedrooms upstairs. This home is situated on a wide corner lot, backing the trail system just off a storm pond. Interested in your own private viewing? Let's set it up. My contact details are in the caption below.